Marcus Aurelius once said, if we learn to be indifferent to what makes no difference, we learn how to love. Not only can we learn how to love, but also how to support, help, how to cooperate, to progress and to succeed. See, love is the foundation to promote the well-being of every human being. Dear Zambians, the change we've been craving is now here. We are the ones we've been waiting for. We are the change that we seek. It's inefficient about 18 million people in our country, and the person we gave our votes, the president, is our only expectation. Eventually, the most common way people give up their power is by thinking they don't have any. So do we choose president so we can give him our power of responsibility, or so he can inspire, influence and guide us? The president provides the inspiration and the vision. The rest requires all of us. Why do we leave everything? Believing and thinking the president will fix it. If I would tell you the economy of our country was not destabilized because of the previous government, it was destabilized by all of us. It was destabilized by our differences, and everyone is a victim. Well, I'm sorry, that's not my point. My point is, how about if we stop pointing fingers and start appreciating our leaders for the little they did for our country? Pointing fingers, blaming, complaining every time won't solve anything. Everyone knows that our economy is unstable. It is done complaining. It's time of building. We can be at our best when we support each other, not when we console each other based on their past mistakes. But if we work together, if we ignore about our differences, the difference in our tribes, culture, religion, our political differences or any other differences, yes, it's true, races or differences will never unite, but humans must, because the destiny of man is to unite, not to divide. We are one despite our differences. Rest in peace to our founding father, Dr. Kenneth Kaunda, who laid a strong foundation. One Zambia, one nation. We all use this caption. It's a matter of time to recognize that the nation, the community, the citizens acting together can do much more than if it were left to individuals. We must be connected, not disconnected. It was an American businessman, Henry Ford, who said it best. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Ladies and gentlemen, together we can develop the unusual country. The country that does not focus on racism, egoism, isolationism, criticism or tribalism, but the country whose goal is nationalism, patriotism, feminism, social activism, peace, prosperity and unity. The country where people don't criticize each other but appreciate each other, where people don't fight against each other but fight for each other, where people don't turn from each other but turn to each other, where what stands in the way becomes the way. I don't have much faith in the government. I have much faith in people. I mean, how many politicians have made promises before coming into power, and later when they were voted into power, they couldn't fulfill their promises? Come on, let's not lift our hopes high for one person. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to say that the president won't fulfill his promises. I'm just trying to say that the issue of changing the nation cannot be left to one person. It requires everyone's participation. It is so disappointing how we damage our environment by throwing garbage anyhow and expect the government or the president to solve the issue. Come on, it is everyone's responsibility to take care of our environment. See, the government can change the economy. They can build new infrastructure, but never can they change or build your own life. The government will never solve your personal problems. You are the only one to take responsibility of your personal problems. We are the ones able to take care of our environment. If you want to see change, stand up and change what needs to be changed. Ladies and gentlemen, if we can stand up in large amount to go and vote, we can stand up in large amount to take responsibility, to support our nation, to support and contribute to the vision of our president. I therefore urge each and every citizen to stand up, no matter who you are, what tribe you are, what religion, culture or political party you belong to. We are one, and I believe every one of us wants the best for our nation. And I tell you, the best lies inside of us. I think it's time we need to accept and celebrate our differences instead of despising them. We need to let races be races, differences be differences, and let people be people. We need to collaborate like never before. I think when the government and people work in unity and harmony, we can dramatically improve the economy. I think when we put love and compassion as our guiding principles, we can create implement, and develop the system of change that is beneficial to the society. The system of change that we've never seen before. We would make the impossible possible, the unbelievable believable. I love the Ethiopian proverb which goes, when spiders unite, they can tie down a lion. We don't want each other. We need each other. Let me talk to the president and the government. If you would give citizens the chance to explore their ideas and support them, we would solve the actual problems. I know there are a lot of people out there with magnificent ideas which can not only change our nation but the world at large, but they don't have the attention and support they deserve. Who knows, maybe the person to find the cure for cancer lies right here in our country. See, the good music is only played when instruments play together. Remember, you cannot spell the word trust without us. None of us is as smart as all of us. As long as our ideas are the same, we can never be apart. One Zambia, one nation.